Palki, my friend, you've been here long enough to know that if you really are going to start your data science journey, the first question is Mastery by Robert Greene. And then the second question is to understand the methodology behind data science, right? You shouldn't be jumping to code or to these different techniques that you're talking about, right? That's the tools. That's the tools, and but you're the mechanic. You need to work on yourself to know how to use those tools, right? So I want to leave you guys with that impression, right? That algorithms, Python, neural networks, GPUs, all of that is just nice tools sitting inside a big toolbox. That's all they are. But it's you're the mechanic. You have to know how to use those tools, how to pick the tools. That's what you should be working on, right? So you should be working on the methodology of data science, the theory, the approach to it, right?